I love the idea of a plain cape because you can add whatever lace or details you want to, as little or as much as you want. This second style doesn't have anything on the train, but this third style happens to be the best value. For the same cost, you'll get the train and the top, and there's a slit in the arms where it creates the illusion of a sleeve, which I thought was really cool. This lace pattern cannot be switched out, but it is a beautiful lace pattern. We can always add to it. We can blend in with what's there. This is moonstone with embroidered beading. So it is very delicate and very beautiful. I can show you a sample, but let me know what questions you have.